How to download the NBA 2K24 on your PC or laptop. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to download the NBA, for this you require the Steam application. So make sure you have downloaded and logged in. After that, launch it and then on the search bar type in NBA. This way you will see various edition. Tap on the one which you prefer. Once that is done, you can now go to the games page whereby you can see every information related to NBA along with the prices, discount offers, and the latest editions. You can choose from different editions such as Black Mamba, Kobe Bryant, and much more. Tap on Add to Cart, which will now take you to another pop up from where tap on View My Cart. Here are a list of all the details and games that you have added on your shopping cart. You can remove it that you do not want and then now continue with the NBA purchase. For this, tap on continue for payment. Next up, you'll have to choose a payment method. If you choose for the PayPal, you can continue with its details regarding the payment method. If you choose some other options, you have to give the billing details such as billing information, your credit card number, your expiration date, and the security code. And once that is done, you can continue and easily download it. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.